Hi. I am Subham. Welcome back to my channel with another trading tricks video. This is commodity chart. Script is Zinc on live chart. Here we will discuss why Cci and Rsi both indicator is important for me on any trading time scenario. Check out chart and we will review it from the start with Rsi and Cci indicator. First check the chart trend with Cci indicator trend and find out the mismatch trend of each other. First checking the Cci indicator trend and its negative trend. Price also negative means no trade. Next Cci trend is positive. Price trend is negative means trade can possible. But on Cci middle hook is above the zero line, so it means no trade. Next Cci negative trend. Price also negative means no trade. Next Cci trend is positive. Price trend is negative means trade can possible. Check out the hook which is on dot area of zero line means trade can possible. To find out the breakout level we have to join the line with middle hook like this. And see the breakout point which is 285.30 level. See the higher level which is near 291 area means near 2% return. We need only 0.8% to 1% in that case as per time frame of 30 minutes. Next Cci negative trend. Price also negative means no trade. Next Cci trend is positive. Price trend is negative means trade can possible. To find out the breakout level we have to join the line with middle hook which is below the zero line. Executing at 283 area. Same thing happened with Cci trend before the trade closing which is showing at 283 area. Here also price trend is negative means trade can possible. Same breakout hook level and the price is now at 281 area. Last of all it's made a high near 290 area. Now here is question. Last two trades showing next to next. Which one correct? If first one is correct then what will be the stop loss? It's already break down the last low which was 281. So, it's already hit the stop loss. So make it perfect. Trade when Cci and Rsi showing the same trend, that means second trade can be possible at 281 area. If you check carefully then 284 level already hit on the same day and the next day it hit the 289 area. Here we can understand that Cci and Rsi both is important for a divergence trade. That's all for the day. This is the best tricks which is called positive Cci divergence. If you like this video please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.